more on those restaurants and what the next few weeks might hold for them. The governor hopes they can reopen in some form by mid-May, but the state is still working on a plan. No one's even guessing when they might be serving all their tables again. Jeff Todd in Louisville tonight. Jeff, we know it's about a lot more than a good meal. These restaurants are a huge part of our economy.
Jim, just massive. About 10% of the Colorado workforce is restaurants. That includes the 175,000 people that have been either furloughed or laid off. But also, 3 out of every 4 restaurants are independently owned and operated.
So it's going to be really, really tough on this industry to survive when the restaurant industry is all about being social and gatherings.
When stay-at-home orders went into place, the Colorado Restaurant Association says more than half closed their doors. The ones that stayed open have been crawling along with a fraction of the income they're used to. And ideas about limited capacity won't work for some.
Sadly, many restaurants won't be able to make it with a reduced capacity. We're hearing a number won't be able to open at all. The numbers just don't make sense.
The waiting game isn't one many restaurants can play.
If it's not till mid-May that they can open, 11% will close permanently in Colorado. And if they're not able to open restaurants until the end of May, which the governor said might be a possibility, upwards of 20% of restaurants might close permanently in the state. I mean, how do you recover from that?
Very few restaurants were able to get financial assistance from the government. They're hoping an industry-specific relief package can be made, but many restaurants needed that money more than a month ago.
I think it's not going to be the same industry that it was a few months ago. Things are going to look very differently.
The Colorado Restaurant Association says it has been working with state and local governments on what exactly reopening safely will look like. Those conversations are ongoing because the governor said today he wants to see what the data shows from this slight rollback in early May before he makes a decision on restaurants. We're live in Louisville tonight. Jeff Todd covering Colorado First.